What if it's me? I don't care. We both look like a
No, stay together.
No, it's just awesome. There's too many of them that are like clean. If it has a trail, that moon. There's little jets. If it has little cricket. Probably in that box. I'm scared of crickets. If it's like an orange dot like this, with like that, then.
I see it.
Yeah.
It's right behind the telephone pole.
Oh my gosh, I see it! Oh my gosh, it's awesome. Where? Oh, it's down low. It's gonna come across right there. It's gonna come. Oh yeah, it's a lot clearer. That's awesome.
If only we were able to hear it.
Ignition of Falcon 9. It's up in the air, flying through town. Let's do it.
Whoa, it is bright.
Dad, take a picture. Take a picture. Daddy.
I'm taking a video.
Yay!
It's so white. It's so white for
So
some
bright,
reason.
Daddy.
Daddy, if only you had brought your camera out here.
Ignition of Falcon 9. SpaceX. Yo. Oh gosh! What the heck, Dad? Yeah.
That second stage.
That
Look
is
at the
the
booster
second
behind. See the
stage?
booster? Right behind the second stage.
I see it. That's the second stage. Like
I
they
know, but where's
separated
the
them.
first stage?
First stage is by the middle. You see where there's no. Daddy, it kind of looks like a jellyfish.
Yeah, no, it is.
It is?
That's the. Yep.
I knew it. Jellyfish, let's go.
Dad, imagine you're just walking, you're like, hey, what the heck is that?
Oh my gosh, Daddy, look, it's so big. Oh,
And you
I
have-
see it. It's coming out of the big jelly.
Oh,
See?
yeah, I see
You
it.
see the
Looks like
puffs?
a
Oh, yeah, I saw
huge
that.
jelly.
Yeah, that's the booster. Those little puffs.
Dad,
Guess what?
Imagine,
We have
Dad,
ignition.
like imagine somebody's
Yeah.
walking by, they're like,
Hey, kitty.
hey, what you guys looking at? What the heck is that? Is that an alien invasion or something?
It looks like this from you, man.
I know.
Oh my gosh, that jelly is so cool. Oh, but don't worry, we've seen more. Me and David and Dad. Awesome.
Wait, but Dad, where's the first stage?
Don't mind looking at that one.
Dad, where's the first stage?
Um,
The first stage is
It's
the
hard to
first
see it
one.
now, but it's
Yeah, I
down.
see
It's
it.
lower at the bottom edge of the trail, and I don't see it anymore actually.
Wait,
Oh,
But
I
it was
see
towards the
coming-
lower end.
It's coming out. Like it's out already. It's not out.
Wait, Dad, there are two dots up there, and I don't know which one is which.
Guys, you can still see the trail. I'm the first kid who spotted it. Nope, Dad was.
Hey, I'm a kid.
He's a kid too.
I'm a child.
He's a child too.
No, he's not.
Grandma and Grandpa borned him.
Born him.
So he's alive and he's a child.
George. I mean like a young person. I'm the first young person to find it. You're the first person under 11.
Yeah, under 11. We got ignition. Let's go. We got
You
ignition.
guys follow me?
Let's go. We have ignition. Yeah, go. We have ignition. Go, SpaceX. We have ignition. Let's go. We have ignition. Let's go. We have ignition. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, SpaceX. We have ignition.
Wait, Dad, where's the second
Yeah, it should in, I don't know, like another minute.
We have ignition. Let's go. Let's go push it. Oh, there it is. There it is.
I want someone to.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
I see it. I was the first one to spot it. Look. Yeah.
We have a
very, very cool landing gun.
boost back. Whatever it's called.
No, landing.
Right?
Hello. Which one, landing or boost back? I don't know.